BeerMoneyForum works worldwide, often asking how to make money on this site, so let's jump into it one more time. Card points equals $1, 100 points equals $10 points equals no multi-accounts allowed. Threads and replies must be genuine opinions and have at least 100 characters to receive the rewards.
No copy/paste posts/threads from other websites. Earning methods, for example, I will use get paid to program section, post a comment/reply worth 20 points of each, must have at least 100 characters to receive 20 tweets. That's why short posts like good, awesome will never earn you any points. Note that only 5 posts and 10 threads per hour are allowed, for which you can earn points around post example could 1 2.
Daily login points comes randomly. Alert notify works live, so there's no delay in anything. Earn 50 points per new thread. It's one of how to make money online forum, so humans only posts thread about new earning apps. In other ways, how to make some bucks online.
The thread title must always follow the rules and contain the full name of app or website that you want to promote in order to receive points equals 50 points with reviews. Scam alleged.
Ending, as shown below, warm points in the marketplace section and do simple tasks where other forum users can post a job that you maybe want to make.
You can also create your own posting job. The number of points that can be earned is usually shown in the titles. Example jobs from 2D points for every like. If other users will like your post, you will get 10 points. Points are deducted from that user balance and passed to your balance plus 10. Lock thread. Full tutorials/guides. Humans must pay first. B. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.